Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Geeta Singh. So today I'm gonna discuss something about this book, Do Epic Shit by Ankur Varikyu. So this book is such a reality check, what I think. So, in the best way possible, today I want to share some of the most powerful lessons, life lessons I found in the very first chapter. The first thing is clarity beats the speed. We always think that if we work fast, we'll get succeeded faster. But Varicue says that speed means nothing if you are running in a wrong direction. It hits me hard because I always thought and I have been so focused on, like, I want to do this, that, setting goals, and I never really paused to think, you know, why am I doing this and what do I actually want to do. So now I'm working on getting clearer first, then moving forward. Second thing, what I learned from this book is do things because you enjoy them, not because you want to impress someone. Okay, this one made me think about my content too, because sometimes we want views, likes, subscribers, appreciation, but after this I realize that real joy comes you do something just because you love doing it. Okay, when you enjoy the process, people naturally connect with you more. Okay, third thing is failure is your best teacher. Okay, and this lesson is so powerful. Varicue talks about how every failure is actually a gift. It teaches you something that success never can. I tell you, for me, I have been working on this YouTube channel for the past 2 years, but my channel hasn't grown much. But I know with your all love, support, it's gonna happen very soon. Success is not far away. I know this. So, failure is your best teacher. About this, Varicue talks very deeply about his failures. He teaches you how he faced and make that all into success. So you better understand how he says all these things. We always disappoint. We always very disappointed, but looking back, that failure taught me so much about preparation, confidence, and just showing up no matter what. At the last, why these lessons matter? They are practical reminders that success is not about being perfect, it's about being clear, enjoying your own journey, and learning from every mistake along the way. So, if you have been feeling stuck and scared to start something new, remember these three lessons. And if you want me to share something new learnings from this book, let me know in the comment section. And I'm loving the process, sharing and learning. So I hope you all found this helpful too. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.